Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jacob with Clean Service Pro. I want to invite you guys today. We're going to be doing some Satillo tile. And we got a bunch of fans here because we got to get this thing as dry as possible so before we put in the wax, which we're using eye shine. This is pretty damaged and old Satillo. So we're going to get this thing restored. You guys are going to see the complete restoration of this from start to finish. We're just doing a little tester over here. This is Shannon. Let's say hi, Shannon. So we're going to be stripping, cleaning, feathering out, and reapplying, refinishing it. So you can tell that the Satillo is pretty flaky. They used the hard wax on it. You can see all the imperfections. We're going to try to rectify that. There's a lot of Satillo here. It's a big empty house. Let's just take it through some of the other rooms so that way you can see the before and afters of this house. So we got a lot of area to cover. This is going to take us a couple of days. Not a quick fix, but a lot less than tearing out all of this and replacing it. So alright guys, so what we've done so far is we've just stripped this thing out. There were some damaged areas, but that's all we've done. Stripper, lots of stripper. And I will show you guys the stripper that we use. Now we're drying it down. But what a complete difference from what it was just getting it stripped down. Got all the bathrooms done. And now it's going to look completely different once we add the wax on it. So the first step is to throw down stripper. And we use one from Northern Chemicals. It's purple, but it works very, very, very well. Here it is. From Northern Chemicals, guys. Wax Off. High performance stripper. Very, very good stuff. And we use the 175 black pads. That's this right here with our 175. We went through a couple of 2.5 gallons of stripper. And once this dries, we're going to let this dry for 24 hours, 48 hours over the weekend. And then we're going to use some eye shine for the finish. And we'll mop that on and we will be done. So this has taken us already 2 days so far to strip this down all the way. And then we're going to let it sit over the weekend, come back on Monday, and apply the finish. See you then. Alright, here we go. This is the final walkthrough. Almost the final walkthrough. I'm going to end up doing one more coat. This is about 4 or 5 coats of wax. But the entire house just looks completely different. This is really, really amazing from what it started. Now, a lot of these tiles are still damaged. What we ended up doing, like I said, was we stripped this all the way down. And we even we don't normally do this, but we sanded down a lot of the damaged tiles. So this is actually just straight. Some of these are straight clay, but the tile itself has these dark spots that just soaked in all the way. Those aren't going to come out, but they're smooth, cleaned, waxed tiles. I'm sorry, sealed tiles. But that looks really, really good. I love how, you can walk in somewhere and really see the transformation of the floors in a process from start to finish, This is a huge house. All the upstairs is carpeted. It's all the downstairs that's tiled. This is about a 7-bedroom house. This is a large house. And they had a lot of construction done on it, and these floors took a big hit. They're really old floors. But what an amazing transformation. So I want to thank you guys for watching today's channel. This is Jacob with Clean Service Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.